The North Wales Collaboration Project is a programme between the Ynys, the Gwynedd, the Conwy and the Denbighshire food partnerships, and in essence we're aiming to set up a machinery ring that's going to allow growers and farmers across North Wales scale up horticultural production and just increase that volume of fruit and veg that is available to the hospitality sector and the public sector across North Wales.
A machinery ring is like a library of equipment. My role is to bring growers together, to find new growers and to work with them to get them to a point where they're able to contribute. There aren't a huge number of large-scale growers in North Wales, so I guess what our hope is that the machinery ring project will be able to help some of those farmers to kind of grow their businesses.
Felly'n rhif ddyletswydd I fel rhan o'r prosiect ring peiriannau ydy gwneud yn siŵr bod ni yma yng Ngwynedd yn rhannu'r wybodaeth o'r ag allwn ni efo tyfwyr, efo ffermwyr, efo unrhyw un sy'n ddiddordeb yn y prosiect ei hun. Felly o ran y cyfleoedd, mae'r prosiect yn mynd i fod yn gynnig I dyfwyr. Da ni wedi bod lwcus heddiw I fod yn ymweld â 2 safle gwahanol, da ni wedi bod yn ymweld gyd, da ni yma rwan efo'n yntedd yn deg. Da ni wedi gweld bod tyfu yn broses gymleth a mae yna heriau yn codi yn gyson. Felly mae cael y cyfle I roi cynnig ar rhywbeth ond ella heb yr ymrwymiad ariannol yna sy'n dod law yn llaw efo hynny wastad yn mynd yn help I dyfwyr. Mae hefyd yn gyfle I rywun roi cynnig ar rhywbeth o'r newydd hyd yn oed os nad nhw'n hollol siŵr. Mae'n gallu arbrofi, mae'n gallu dysgu, mae'n gallu rhannu syniadau hefyd efo'r gymuned dda o dyfwyr sydd yma yng Ngwynedd.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'n bwysig iawn I bobl cael access I llysiau lleol sydd yn blasus a maen nhw'n gallu gweld lle maen nhw'n dod o, dyn nhw ddim yn teithio am milltiroedd I dod yma. Crwc dwi a da ni yn Tyddyn Teg, fferm organic agroecological mewn Eryri, Gogledd Cymru. I think the machinery rings are really exciting, important developments actually, especially for horticulture in Wales, but particularly in North Wales. It's really important for people to see that food is grown locally and to feel that seasonality of what's available in winter. We're proving that it can be done here, even though, you know, it's north, we're between the sea and the mountains, we get a lot of weather, you know, but if we really want to develop the sector, then we really need this input right now.
When you taste really good seasonal produce, yeah, there's no real comparison. I think people want that for their children, want them for their own health. I'm Paul, I'm the head grower and manager of this Grown for Change. It's set up for people in recovery from substance misuse. We sort of believe in recovery as a journey that people want to rebuild their life. This is about supporting each other, building skills, life skills, and yeah, helping each other develop a life they want to build. We've had to buy some quite expensive equipment we've probably only used 1-2 weeks of the year. So if we could share that with family, it just makes a lot more economic sense. It means the prohibitive costs of starting a farm are reduced massively if we share our equipment and just use that ring in that way. That'd be fantastic.
Our collaborative project will be really important to Conwy, hoping that it will help us to engage with growers in the area, which we've not been able to do so yet as a food partnership. So I think it will really open up doors for our communication with those local growers, and it will be good just to see some local Conwy veg getting into Conwy schools.
The machinery ring project is going to be extremely positive for growers. It opens us up to much more opportunity. So we're actually buying machinery that the food growers are saying that they want and need rather than what we're telling them they want. So again, we're listening to our communities.
Dwi'n bod yna alw cynyddol erbyn hyn am gynnyrch ffres, am gynnyrch o safon, cynnyrch sydd wedi cael ei dyfu mewn ffordd gyfrifol a cynaliadwy. A mae hynny wir ar draws y Gogledd, felly mae cael prosiect sydd yn galluogi tyfwyr yn Ynys, yng Ngwynedd, yng Conwy, yn Sir Ddinbych, I fynd i'r afel a'r galw yna I dyfu mwy o'r cynnyrch gret sydd ar gael yma yng Ngogledd Cymru yn barod. Mae o'n gyfle cyffrous ofnadwy, felly da ni falch iawn o fod yn rhan o hwnnw.